Most High God. This is Aquativit Daniels, better known as Chief Dan Severa, aka King Lionhead. Greetings in the name of the Most High God. This is Aquativit Daniels, better known as Chief Dan Severa, aka King Lionhead. This is what the looters, the robbers, this is what they're gonna say before they go in your house. This is what they're gonna say when the smoke clears after this war.
This is the wrong house. This is not the one I told you about. I know, but I've had my eye on this place for a long time. Yeah, but there's a family here. I know. Come on. Going down the road is loaded with stuff. Don't worry. We'll get there. First, we're gonna take care of this place. We can't. Why not?
People not gonna give a fuck that you in your house with your family and y'all preparing y'all meal. They want to take your meal from you. All your freedoms about to be taken away from your ass. And y'all watch out for the disease too, man.
The family here. Right, well, we all kind of voted. You won it. We're gonna go in. No occupied homes. Listen, we take care of our own. No occupied homes. That's the deal.
That's a group of like 20 dudes, y'all, going across country, checking out the abandoned cribs and all that. And they said that they was not finna go into people's houses. You know what I'm saying? That was in their house. And they voted out of 20. One was like, man, we ain't going to no occupied houses. But the other 19 was like, man, we going in there. We don't care. We finna take everything. We finna rape. We finna rob. We finna kill. They ain't had no mercy for the kids or nothing, man. This what's going on in this world that's finna come.
Not anymore.
Now, I'm telling you, people gonna be going from door to door, kicking the people's shit, trying to take their food, all their resources, man. Now, you heard the man say, we ain't going to no occupied houses. They gonna still come in there because it ain't no law. It ain't no police riding down the street. It ain't no military. It's after the smoke clears. This is what they gonna be doing, man. And they took in all the people's stuff, man. There were little kids running around and everything. Family, daddy in the kitchen cooking, wife getting the salads and stuff and getting the table ready. They came in there and took the people's stuff. But y'all watch out for these diseases too, man. Like, they out here. They really out here. So keep your masks on. But I want to tell you, man, this is what's coming. Straight up, this is what's coming.
A dire warning about one of the most dangerous strains of bacteria which resists all known antibiotics.
Let us begin this half hour
with a call for urgent action this morning to stop the spread
of the so-called nightmare superbug.
Trying to contain a new kind of bacteria normal antibiotics don't reach.
The fear and the challenge is to keep these bacteria from reaching the general population.
The normal issue of giving someone an antibiotic and curing them becomes very difficult.
National Guard units were activated.
The president now declaring the outbreak a national emergency. We are facing a potentially dangerous problem, but we do have a window of opportunity to contain it.
Yeah, they just dropped a bomb on the people whole fucking city to get rid of some shit they let loose in the city. Y'all better pay attention, man. Y'all at war.
All the institutions have failed. Everyone has gone into hiding.
You better hide. I mean, you got martial law going on. They killing people because they think they got a disease and stuff. Man, y'all watch out for this disease X, man. COVID still flying, AIDS still doing this thing, cancer in the air. We drinking cancer, we eating cancer. The only way they gonna contain that is blow your ass up.
It spread quickly. The cities were hollowed out in weeks. They tried to set up safe zones and quarantines. But sooner or later, someone...
You heard what that man said? They try to set up safe zones. They tried, keyword tried, but it ain't none. People gonna start tearing down the walls. People gonna start getting out of those cages and shit they got people in. Y'all open up, wake up, something with it up in it.
Infected would get in and wipe everyone out. All you could do is isolate yourself and your family.
You heard what he said? All you can do is isolate yourself, you and your family. That's why I say, man, I know I'm being trained. I could be by myself for a long time. No nagging. Oh, I'm hungry. What we gonna do? Just, nah, man. It's better to be by yourself.
Follow the rules. Stay quiet. Stay alive.
Y'all heard that? One last time. These are the days of judgment. These are the days of the rapture. These are the last days, children of the Most High God.